Hi, I'm Brett Rogensky, General Manager with N.E.T.R. Incorporated. I'm here today to talk to you about whole home surge protection and why you should want that on your home. So what are power surges? Power surges are spikes in the voltage that are either within your home or coming into your home. So a whole home surge protector is added to your electrical panel, and it helps absorb and eliminate those spikes either internally in your home, or if they're coming from the street through a power spike, a voltage spike from your provider. What they do is they actually absorb that extra energy and then regulate the energy out to your other circuits. Now, why would you want one of these? Well, as we all know, our ductless heating system, our central AC system, all of our appliances, really right down to our fridge and our dryer, they all have circuit boards in them. Those are very susceptible to failure when they face surges in power. So they like nice even power, and unfortunately surges in power tend to do damage to those items. So the surge protector protects that from happening to your expensive appliances, refrigerators, washers, dryers, central air conditioning, furnaces, ductless systems. So all those sensitive electronics, as well as your TV, your computer, and all the other things in your home. N.E.T.R. provides a whole home surge protector with every new installation that we perform. That's how important we feel that it is. The other benefit to you is the whole home surge protector provided by N.E.T.R. comes with a $100,000 insurance policy to the homeowner, and it's a lifetime policy. So if there is ever a power surge into your home that the surge protector does not protect you against, there is a $100,000 reimbursement policy in place from the manufacturer for you to replace or fix those electronics. So very vital that if you're getting a new ductless mini split, furnace, air conditioner, you need to be getting a whole home surge protector. And if the other guy isn't providing one when they give you a quote, you should probably ask why.